Alrighty guys, so it's Sunday. We just got back in. It's like a day party, but like it's like a restaurant and like bar. But they do like this big day party called Ice Cream Sundays every Sunday. So we just got back in from that. We decided to go grocery shopping. So I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that we got. I'm also gonna cook tonight too, and then we're gonna get ready for work tomorrow. Sundays are not really much. Hopefully, if I can find, if I have some clips, I don't even know if I do from the day party, I'll put those in the vlog as well. But I got.
Crab meat for seafood salad along with the shrimp cocktail or whatever. These are chunks of beef. I'm going to probably use these to make yak. Then we got some ribs, pork ribs. I eat pork, everybody eats pork. What else? Some butter. Ground beef. This is so much ground beef. You can like cut it in half. Then we got the best rice ever. Jasmine rice is like the best rice ever. It lasts forever. Like if you are trying to figure out what white rice to buy, jasmine rice. Like literally, I still have jasmine rice left from the last time. This was like probably like maybe almost 2 months ago now. Like it lasts so long. And steaks. So I'm gonna make some of these tonight. What else? Chicken.
And then just some juices. So I'm about to put all the stuff away and start cooking. Got some shrimp. Want to make steak, shrimp, kale, and garlic mashed potatoes. Dinner is done. We got steak. We got steak. We got steak. We got steak. And shrimp. And shrimp. And kale.
Like I ordered it
and kale. Huh?
Like I ordered it from somewhere.
Do you want y'all to see his plate?
Look at this.
Oh, I forgot mashed potatoes on my plate. Garlic mashed potatoes. I forgot. I'm getting so good at cooking. I'm gonna smack myself. I can't wait for you to eat.
I can't wait to eat. Shit, who you telling me?